guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I'm super happy to be back. So if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. I'm Nidhi. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget doing that and join the family. Welcome to the Trend Fam. So today I'm creating a nice colorful summery bright makeup look, and for that I first started off by doing my eyebrows. As usual, I use a brown eyeliner pomade to fill in the sparse gaps, and then draw small fine hair like strokes in the front of the brow. Next, I carved out my eyebrow using a concealer. This one is from Maybelline. It's their Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade medium. And I carved out the lower as well as upper part of my brow, because when Nidhi uses pomade for doing her brows, she ends up getting gorilla brows. So I have to clean my brows to get that snatched brow look. For concealer base, I'm using the same concealer and laid it on my eyelid entirely and buffed it with a buffer brush. For my eyeshadow base today, I'm using the Megalast Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipstick from WetNWild, and this is the shade Flame of the Game, beautiful bright orange color. And to set it, I'm using the orange shade from the Spring palette from Mia Old brand, which I got off AliExpress, and then I patted that orange eyeshadow all over my liquid lipstick base. And first I just patted it all over to set the eyeshadow base, and then taking a clean blending brush, diffusing the outer edges to give that feathered gradient look. I am lately in oranges and neons and blues lately this summer. I'm just digging for them. To clean the outer edge, again I use the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer to give it that flicked look. Then I went in and curled my lashes, because I've got straight off Asian lashes which grow downward, so I have to curl them. Next, the game changer over here, and the best part, is this mascara from Colourpop. It's in the shade Blue Your Mind. I love blue. If you're new to my channel, you might not be knowing this, but the ones who are there with me like since ages, because Nidhi is on YouTube since ages, so they know my love for blue liner, blue eyeshadows, blue mascara. I just love it. So I use that blue mascara, and for my primer I use the Blue Heaven primer because I have to finish it and I don't have a new one. So yeah, I use that silicone based primer. A new foundation I was trying, and I love it. I just love it. It's the LA Girl Pro Coverage Illuminating Foundation in the shade Tan. This shade is like such a good match for my skin. It looks so natural. It's just like my skin, and I don't like foundations to be really lighter or the undertones to be weird. This is having a nice yellow undertone, and that's why I liked it. So I used it with a blending sponge, a damp blending sponge, and blended the foundation all over my face. Using the same concealer by Maybelline, I highlighted the high points of my face, an inverted triangle under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, center of the forehead, cupid's bow, and the chin, the normal places. And I was feeling really itchy at that moment. Okay, ignoring that, I use the sponge to first blend out the nose area and the forehead, so that my under eye area concealer gets more time to settle, and this way you can enhance the coverage your concealer gives. immediately setting it with the Sapphire Loose Powder by Blue Heaven, and slightly dusted it off across my face as well after applying it to my T-zone, because I liked the illuminating coverage the foundation gave, and I didn't want to take it off entirely and be like a matte queen. Yet another new product from WetNWild is their contouring powder. I guess that's the shade Caramel Toffee. I use the contour side and try to use a stippling brush, but that just ruined my palette and powder flew everywhere. So I used a dense packing brush and applied it for my contours. Applied it on my cheekbones, hit the temples as well as my forehead a little bit, and then also applied the bronzer on my jawline because we don't want a double chin. Yeah, so did that as well. And yeah, I also used it right under my lower lip to give it a 3D dimension, and a little bit on the sides of the bridge of my nose to give it some warmth and dimension as well. Today I aimed at a monochromatic look, so I went in with the same orange eyeshadow from the eyeshadow palette and used it as my blush, and oh my god, it looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. If you guys have any good suggestions for blushes that would look good on medium tan skin, then please let me know in the comment section. I'm lately looking for some nice blushes. So yeah, that's done. Next I went in for my lower lash line with the same shade again, sticking to the monochromatic look, and with a smaller petite blending brush or a pencil brush, you can use either, and applied it on my lower lash line, and later I diffused the outer edges with a blending brush to create a smoky look out of it. Again applied the same blue mascara on my lower lashes as well, and applied another coat, why not, to the upper lashes. And tada, here comes the best part. This is the illuminating palette, another new product from the brand W7, and I use that pearlescent shade, and oh my god, this looks stunning, guys. You know, the camera is not capturing it. In reality, this looked so good. It looked so good. I just can't explain. And I got this from Hook Makeup. If you're following me on Instagram, you know it, and if not, what are you waiting for? It's me _Nidhi Instagram. Come say hi and join me there. I update everything on my Instagram. I got this palette for just 300 bucks. It was on sale on Hook Makeup. Oh my god, I just love it. I highlighted the normal zones, the bridge of my nose, cupid bow, under my eyebrow, as well as the inner corner, and I loved it. And also on my cheekbones, okay? That's the most important highlighting part. For my lips, I went in with the Miss Claire Glimmer Stick Liner in the shade Chocolate L12 and align my lips. And then for lipstick, I'm using the matte look lipstick. This is in the shade Warm Kiss. I guess it's 24. Warm Kiss. Yep. And then I merged the liner as well as the mousse lipstick for setting all of this goodness going on my face. I used the Natural Finish setting spray from WetNWild and patted it with a sponge lightly until it's still wet. Again, I'm hitting my cheekbones with the same highlighter for being that highlighted goddess look. Oh my god, this looks so stunning, guys. I just can't stop raving about it. I love it. I love it. Oh my god. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this as much as I loved creating this. I wanted to do a comeback after my university exams, like bam. I loved playing with colorful makeup, and I hope you guys really like this video, and smash that like button. If you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and subscribe. Click that red subscribe button and ring the bell right next to it so that you do not miss out any video when Nidhi's on YouTube. So yeah, this was my completed look. For more pictures of this look, head on to my Instagram with the handle ITZ it's me underscore Nidhi. All the links to my social media will be there in the description. I hope to see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye. And yeah, keep trending.